Yung doon kasi grabe po ano. Kagalang-galang tayo ka ng kuan. Hindi mo na rin ito na
puntahan natin from lahat ng ginawa niyo. From 2022 up to 2025, mula talaga tayo identify na ghost project.
Control. Knowledge of contractor.
Wala. Kung may makita tayo later on,
yeah, make sure in flood
you
control.
know the Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Ano, may swak ay tanan to. Part-time nila na pizza.
Gaan yung pick up. Yung accreditation ninyo na ganito, nag-start lang sila sa 250,000 pesos. Hindi kayo nagulat na may 2019. Tapos, pagdating ng 2022, 3 years. 2019, 2022, 3 years. Biglang nakakuha sila ng billion na projects. Hindi pa kayo
Permanent ako sinakwento kung folder. Malong. Ay, nakutan ni Sir kay 20. Sila rin mo po sila ni Diana. Ay, sila 2024.
Di ba kayo ang mag-accredit na yung 1-star, 2-star?
But it is the basis for the implementing agency to qualify that particular contractor on the basis of the categorization and the ARCC. Categorization from E to quadruple A is a measure of the capacity of a contracting company. But like medium A, small A, large A is a measure of the capability of the company. So that means that even if you are a quadruple